Welcome back to DJI Academy. I'm Napoleon. DJI Mavic 3 supports Smart Orbit by the latest update. With this feature, creating an orbit flight route is so easy. After the pinpoint is made, you can enable Smart Orbit in N mode, and your aircraft can start circling around the pinpoint. When you pair it with timed interval shot or video recording, you can easily finish inspections or surround modeling missions. During Smart Orbit, you can use your joysticks to adjust things like speed, altitude, radius, and framing. Once you've hit your desired speed, just press C1 to lock. As the aircraft circles around the target, the gimbal pitch angle will automatically adjust to keep the target in frame. But if you want to try a different angle, you can always adjust the gimbal pitch manually. Just beware that when using Smart Orbit, your aircraft will brake if it detects any obstacles, even if you've selected Avoid for obstacle avoidance action. Thanks for watching today's video. Please feel free to leave any comments below. See you next time!